Air compressors are similar in many ways to small engines. Both have a piston, piston rings, a cylinder, and valves. Just as a clean air filter is important to protect your lawnmower's engine, you must also maintain your air compressor's air filter to ensure a long pump life. The air filter removes dust, paint, or whatever else might be floating in the air before it can enter the cylinder and cause damage. Replacing your air compressor's filter element is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before performing any work on your air compressor, make sure that you've drained the air out of the tanks. The air filter element is located behind the air filter cover. The cover is secured with a wing nut. I'll go ahead and remove the wing nut. The washer that's behind the wing nut, and then I can pull the cover free. With the cover removed, I can pull the air filter away from the base. Now I can install the new air filter, replace the air filter cover, and secure it with the washer and the wing nut. And that's how simple it is to replace the filter element on your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.